How to fix TikTok payment method problem. Hello everybody, today in this video we are going to teach you how we can fix it. So without any delay, let's start up with the video. So for that, first thing is you can check the accuracy of your verification process. So open up TikTok application and then you may head over to your profile in the bottom right corner and then open up your profile. Once your profile opens up, you may go to balance and then open up your balance and ensure that you are using the proper payment method. So head over to coins, get coins, and then once you head over to there, if your payment method is already added, you may look for your payment method. Otherwise, we have this recharge option. You may tap on it and it gives us option to add up a payment method. So the thing is, you need to go ahead and ensure that you are using the proper credentials in your payment method in your TikTok. And also ensure that your card has sufficient funds and it is not expired as well. So just go ahead and ensure that first. After that is done, you may clear the cache and cookies of your application or the browser that you're using. So head over to TikTok, long press on the app, go to the info section at the top, and then once you get over the info section, scroll down, look for storage, and then after going over to storage, clear cache and also clear data if necessary. Apart from that, also check your internet connections, head over to settings and then make sure your connections is correct, and that should help you. Otherwise, also make sure everything is correct, and you can also contact the TikTok support team if nothing works out. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to fix your payment method problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.